2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, backup camera, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.